You have a WordPress website and you want to use a chat box on your website for your business. The question is, which chat box is the best for your business? In this video, I'm going to show you what kind of chat box you can use with your WordPress website. If you have a question about Chatbot or anything else with WordPress, feel free to contact me. Let's begin.
Imagine you have built a website and you are thinking about putting a chat box on the website so people can communicate with you through the chat box. When you build a website with a WordPress, if you do not know what WordPress is, just Google it. So if you have built your website with WordPress, sometimes you have some solution for WordPress for having a chat box on your website. You can connect the WordPress website to a platform, or you can also use a plugin as a chat box to talk with your customers. So if you build your website with a WordPress, you just need to install one plugin and you have one chat box on your website. I'm going to show you a couple of examples that you can use. And again, these companies are not sponsoring me anything. For me, it's important that you get to know what you can and what you cannot use for your website when you're building it. You can build your own chat box with ChatView, and you can use a plugin to install ChatView on your website. As you can see, this is the pricing of ChatView, up to 1,000 subscribers, and it's for free. If you have more than 1,000, you have to start paying for it. This is one solution if you don't have a budget. If you have a budget, you can think of other solution. You can build it from scratch, but it's going to take long. Another one is you can use Facebook Chat Messenger, and you just go to Facebook the developer and build your own chat box. You can Google that. I'm not going to discuss every solution for you. I'll just give you an example. Facebook Chatbox has also its own plugin, so you can download the plugin and install it on your website. And another one is WordPress Chatbox by Mobile Monkey. This is an example. You can look at their website and see if you can use this plugin. And let's talk about another one. Even here you can look at the pricing. Here, plugin setting. This is the plugin. If you want the pro version, you have to start paying for it. Another one is collect.chat, and also here you see an example how it works. You can install the plugin on your website, and then you have a chatbot on your website. Here you see the pricing. It's important to know when you install something, you need to know what the pricing are. And here it's for free if you get 50 response per month. That's how you use it. This is the pricing table. Okay, another one is IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a good platform, also a good plugin. You can look it up and you can download and install it, and you can start using it if you follow the instruction. Again, none of these companies are sponsoring me or anything. For me, it's important that you get to know how it works. If your website is made with WordPress, you need to look for what kind of plugins you're going to use to put the chat box on your website.
This is the end of the video. I showed you how you can use Chatbox with your WordPress website. If you have questions about this or anything else, feel free to contact me. See you in the next video.